So here we are also figuring out what was going on about 20 years ago when this house was remodeled and the kitchen was done. What I see here is the house falling over, but the window is nice and straight. It's nice and square. What I am piecing together when I'm playing detective is, see, this side of the house is starting to sag, it's starting to settle, and there was probably an old sliding door here, and the door probably stopped working. It probably broke, something that prompted this work in the house. And so what they've done is eliminate the sliding door and then put a smaller window in below the original header. And you can see the pie shape where they've kind of leveled things out to make this little window work within a problem area of the house. This is also another example of what not to do is don't run plumbing pipes through structural headers. This definitely did not help matters. This was done during the kitchen remodel. They renovated a bathroom above. Clearly they knew they had issues here and they still chose to notch the top of that header.